start our day with morning, we use iPod to hear a music. Then I want to call my friend, I will use smartphone or mobile phone. If I want to do an instant email, then I use tablet. If I want to perform something that will require real hardcore computer processing, then I use a laptop. But despite of all this technology, I still use pen and paper to join down certain point. But it is really cumbersome to carry all these things, as you can see. So we propose something that is sixth sense technology as a solution of this problem. We grew up by interacting with physical objects. Numerous amount of this object which we are using in our day-to-day life. When we think about an object, one thing comes in our mind, and that is a gesture. I think how we use this object in our day-to-day life, how we manipulate this object, and how we convert this digital information into the physical world. Normally, I think by using this gesture, we can convert this digital information into the physical world. Then, how can I leverage this knowledge to convert these gestures by using this digital information into the physical world? And by this information, I come across the one technology. By instead of using a keyboard and mouse, why can I not use my computer as I use into this physical world? And at the last, I come across this gesture technology. By using this type of the computer, camera, projector and other smartphone, this is a gesture technology. It is called as a sixth sense technology.
This emerging technology has been developed by Pranav Mistry. This technology has mainly four components: one camera, projector, smartphone and hand color markers. By using the camera can track your color markers. By using that, if you take a picture, by using that, it can directly transfer from the projector to smartphone. What is the role of the smartphone? Smartphone has a gesture software which can directly transform your data from phone to the projector, and by using projector you can directly project your data or any pictures to any object or any wall or any paper. Oh.
Wow, it's Sunday morning. It's very tedious to carry a phone while jogging. Wow, that's nice scene. If I want to take that scene, there is no need to carry a phone. While just by my hand gesture, I can take pictures like that. Wow, it's so simple. I can easily take that picture by this technology, as well as I can manipulate it.
Inside the necklace are the cuts of a smartphone, CPU and some memory with 3G connection to the web. Instead of needing a screen, it has a mini projector that beams out your desktop to a nearby wall. There is a camera that always looking to what your hands are doing, and that is a real genius of the sixth sense technology. The camera is not only understanding your hand movement, but interestingly, it also able to understand what object you are holding in your hand. In this case, book cover is matched with so many thousands of books online, and checking out which book it is. Once it has that information, it find out more information like review of the book.
Your newspaper will show you live weather information rather than updated or without checking the computer.
Here I am seeing Narendra Modi's talk outside the newspaper.
आप सबने अपने व्यवहार के द्वारा, अपने संस्कारों के द्वारा, अपनी क्षमता के द्वारा अमेरिका के अंदर बहुत इज्जत कमाई है.
Now let us see the disadvantage of sixth sense technology. The product is not yet released into the market. There is a privacy concern. There is a health issue regarding the sixth sense projection technology. It is still being modified and tested. There is a concern about the pricing, and
Pranav Mistry announced that the device is costing about $350 for each on his website, and this information was updated in 2009, but ever since there is no any news